Hi guys, my name is Nikisha Evans. My journey up until this point has been real clear to me. However, it took me some time to get to this point. So I started out at a technical school for 8 months, and then I went to a 2-year college and graduated with my associates in human services. And then I switched over to a 4-year college and graduated with my bachelor's of human services from Chestnut Hill. While I was doing my bachelor's at Chestnut Hill, I was working as a psych rehab worker. Um, so I did that while I was completing my bachelor's degree. However, I knew that I couldn't grow within that organization, so I switched over to be a case manager. I like to do case management. However, the organization that I went to wasn't the best suit for me. So now I work with children and families through DHS, which is Department of Human Services. And within this job, I can actually grow within. However, I know that I would need to complete my master's degree in order to um, become a director of the organization. My overall goal after completing this is starting my own mentoring company agency where I will service ages 5 through 22, both sexes. I don't believe that one sex is more important than the other. I just believe that everyone needs a voice and an advocate. I look forward to looking at everyone's video and feel free to provide feedback. Bye.